I know, we gotta figure out the lighting.
Oh.
Maybe we'll do that. Oh, there we go, much more better. And we just got some skeletons in the background just chilling. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Coming at you with a brand new video today. First video, full video on the new camera, and it's gonna be a fun one. So we're gonna come outside and talk to old boy Ben. You guys have seen him before. We're gonna see what he done did it.
Good old 1992 Ford Ranger. Tell you what, this thing's a freaking beast, but the frame's broke over there.
The frame broke on her. So he just picked up this little guy here. It's actually rather gay because it's not a 5-speed. But yeah, she's pretty minty. But we'll show you once we get inside. Can you see it through the wheel well? No, can't see it. The old frame's broke on her. So we're gonna get her pulled inside and we'll take a look at it. We're gonna weld it up. Kind of show you guys how to rig something up. All right, so y'all are seeing some live action here. And where's she at, buddy? Oh, damn, there it is. Oh, yeah. You can't really see it all too well under the old camera. A light. Yeah, there we go. There it is. She's a little broken. So I think we do need to get it up on something because she's a little low to the ground, bud. But yeah, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. We got the good old plate steel and the good old welder. Hey, you go away. And we're gonna get her welded up for you, Bob.
We're gonna do it real good.
We're gonna do it real good. I get you a tape measure, Bob. You want a Fat Max or a Lufkin?
Fat Max.
A Fat Max, all right.
I'm thinking 3-inch piece. It's gonna butt up right against this nut and then come over to here right before it curves down.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'll probably put that piece of angle that I got.
Can you get inside that frame there? Decently?
Yeah.
All right, we can.
What I'm thinking is if we can get that, I mean, if we can get this kind of started, if we can put a bead right here without...
Well, I'm not worried about welding the frame together.
No,
I'm worried about welding the plate to the frame.
Well, I know that. But I'm thinking if we can get this right here, it'll stay.
Oh, you mean so we can kind of jack it around a little bit to get it lined up?
Yeah.
I got you.
If I can run a bead right here, that's pretty clean. I think we can run a bead without even putting a Metabo on it right now.
Where are we at? All right. Yeah, that'll work. We'll plan for that then.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Hey, bud.
Starting here.
How's she going?
She's going.
She going good? Make sure it's like that whole length.
This whole length?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I need to...
I'll put a couple fat beads on there.
Let's cut this fucking thing.
Then cut the thing.
trying to do that with welding gloves on. That kind of hurt.
Yeah. Where you at, buddy? Let me get in here. Oh, it looks so good, Ben.
I fucked up down there.
I'm gonna go back over it. Just saying.
Okay, that's fine.
So we got done welding it up. It should hold for at least a little while. Show you what we did.
Hold for a little while.
Hold for a little while. We gusseted it in pretty good, and then another guy underneath. It's just hard getting weld through rust, you know.
Did you make that gusset?
Hell yeah, I made that gusset.
I made that gusset.
Ben made that gusset with a good old grinder.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's all right. Welds aren't the prettiest. They hold. Why? There we go.
Why did it become winter again all of a sudden?
So we're gonna throw a coat of paint on that, and then put the tire back on and call her a day. It's just a party over here.
Please send us beer.
All right, Ben. That's gonna wrap this up.
Wrapped up.
It should hold.
We hope.
Hopefully.
If it doesn't,
well, then it doesn't.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
We're gonna test it on the back field.
Yeah, we're gonna head out back and just do some Baja type shit, you know.
Yeah.
So
if it holds, then we're golden. We should have pull-offs. Breaks in half.
So what do I say at the end of these?
Sayonara.
This is Kevin's vlog. He's out.
There you go, bud. I finished it.
No, you didn't do it right.
Oh.
You gotta do like one of them things.
Oh. This is Kevin's vlog, and he's out. Boom. I even did the sound effect.
What should they do?
What?
Should they like and subscribe?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Like and subscribe. This is Kevin's vlog, and he's out. There we go. We're done. That took 3 takes, but it's alright. We got it done now.
Just cut that out.